Hello students, good evening to all of you. Welcome to edX classes. Here I am going to discuss the important chapter that is of the chemical bonding. In this case, we are discussing about the solubility order, solubility tricks. So look at this. This is very important for the examination point of view. First of all, we will discuss the solubility order of S block elements, P block elements, and the D block elements. In the case of S block elements, these are of consists of first year group and the second year group elements, right? First year group elements are lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium. Whereas second year group elements are beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, and the barium. By the loss of one electron, they will get the stability here, right? And in this case, by the loss of two electrons, they will gain the octet configuration. And in this case, we are discussing about this. This S block elements will be consist S block elements, that is the first year group elements and the second year group elements combines with the seventh year group elements like fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. So in this case, these elements will be gaining one electron and they will get the stability here, right? And here one more anions are there: carbonate ions, hydroxide ions, sulfate ions, and the nitrate ions, NO3 minus. So look at in this case, we will discuss this S block elements stability. That means first year group elements stability. First year group elements, that is of alkali metals stability. Alkali metals solubility based on the lattice energy. Based on this lattice energy here. Lattice energy. Whereas second year group elements, alkaline earth metals, solubility will be based upon the hydration energy. So look at in this case, whenever lattice energy is more, lattice energy will be more than that of the hydration energy, then it indicates that solubility will be less. Lattice energy means here the attracting of the positively charged ions and the negatively charged ions combine together to form a lattice. So whenever the more attractions are there, then they will not be dissociated into the water. So that solubility will be decreases here. Whenever the dissociation of ions will be more, that means hydration energy, or we can say that we will take it as here it is of lattice energy will be less than that of the hydration energy, automatically solubility will be increases here. Coming to the lattice energy here, look at in this case of lattice energy is directly proportional to the charge and size here. Whenever we are comparing the solubility, look at in this case of lattice energy, here look at solubility is inversely proportional to the lattice energy, and which is directly proportional to the size here. Lattice energy more, then automatically solubility will be less here. Whenever charge and size both come in the equal priority, then we will give the first priority to the charge. Charge is the dominant role. Here. So look at whenever in the case of the charge increases, automatically lattice energy will be increases and the solubility will be decreases. And the size is small, will be the small, lattice energy will be more, and here we will say the solubility will be less here. Whenever in the comparison of, look at in this case, in the comparison of P and D block elements, we will follow the solubility order according to the Paget's rule. According to the Paget's rule. So according to the Paget's rule, they are saying that whenever anion size increases, polarization power increases, and covalent character increases, whereas solubility will be decreases here. Solubility will be decreases. That means here covalent character will be inversely proportional to the solubility. Will inversely proportional to the solubility here. Coming to the cation size, whenever in the case of the cation size small, then PP polarizing power will be increases, covalent character will be increases, then solubility will be decreases here. Coming to the charge on cation and anion, charge on cation and anion increases so that polarizing power increases and covalent character will be increases, whereas the solubility will be decreases here. So this is the order we have to remember for the P and D block elements. Whenever in the case of noble gas configuration and the pseudo noble gas configuration, then in these cases noble gas configurations will be having of less polarizing power. This will be having of less polarizing power, so that covalent character will be less, and we can say that solubility will be more here. Whereas in the case of pseudo noble gas configuration, that means 18 electron configuration, then this will be having of more polarizing power. More polarizing power means more covalent character, whereas more covalent character means whenever in the case of solubility will be decreases here. Solubility will be decreases. So based on these factors, we will take some examples here. And one more important point here I want to discuss about this. In this case, first of all, here solubility order can be explained on the basis of the difference between radius of cation and anion. On anion is more, then automatically solubility will be more here. Solubility will be more. So look at, we are taking off positive charge, and here both are having of same charges. And here we are taking off the cation small size and anion will be the large size. Then this will be having of more solubility. This will be having of more solubility here. So based on this only, we will say the some increasing order of solubilities here. And if some exceptions are there for the solubility orders also. So look at here, we are taking off the orders here in this case. So small size and large size will give you the small size, and the large size will give you the more solubility here. More solubility. So based on this, we will see the solubility orders here. Look at, in this case, ClO4 minus is large size. And here in this case, look at here, we are having of lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium here. And in this case, beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium. Now look at, in this case, this is of the small size and this is of the large size here. Difference is more means solubility will be more here. Coming to the sodium, from top to bottom, this will be increasing the size with increasing the atomic number as the number of shells increases. So that this will be of the size increases, and this is the large size here. This is, look at, in this case, large size and large size. So solubility order will be decreasing in this case. This is having of the more solubility. Coming to this one, in this case, this is of the small size and this is of the large size. Here look at, this is of large size and this is of large size of anion, right? This is of small size of cation and the large size of anion, will give you the more solubility order. Coming to this next one, here it is of small size and the large size of anion. Yes, here it is of large size and this is of large size. So solubility order will be decreasing here. In this case, look at whenever in this case of fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, from top to bottom, atomic size increases. Atomic size increases here. So comparison of lithium to bromine, lithium is of the small size and this is of the large size here. Coming to the sodium to bromine, so this is of large size and this is of large size here. Whereas in this case of beryllium sulfate, this is having of the small size, this is of large size. Here large size and this is of large size here. So solubility will be less here and in this case solubility will be more. Coming to the next point, here look at in this case of beryllium carbonate. Beryllium is of the small size whereas carbonates are the large size. And here it is of large size, this is of the large size here. That's why this is having of the solubility more and this is of the solubility less. Coming to this one, beryllium hydroxide. Look at in this case of hydroxides are having of the lesser size, comparatively less size comparatively than that of sulfate ions, carbonate ions, nitrate ions and also the chlorate ions. So this is having of small size here. So look at this is of small size, this is of small size here. Coming to this one, here it is of large size and this is of the small size. Difference is there. So solubility will be more here and in this case solubility will be less here. Solubility order will be increasing. Coming to this one, lithium to fluoride, lithium fluoride. So this is of small size, this is of small size. Here whenever in this case large size, small size. So in this case solubility will be more, here it is solubility will be less here. Coming to the lithium hydroxide. In this case also this is of small size, this is of small size, here it is of large size and the small size. So solubility will be more. Coming to this one, magnesium fluoride, calcium fluoride, strontium fluoride, barium fluoride here. Look at in this case magnesium plus 2 and fluorine. So in this case also this is of small size, this is of small size, here it is of large size, small size. Difference is more. So solubility will be increases. Coming to this one, nitrates. Nitrates are large in size. So we will take the small size, large size. And here it is of large size. This will be of the small size. Difference, sorry, large size. So look at large size and the large size. So solubility order will be less here. Coming to the next one, here look at in this case of solubility of the P block and the D block elements according to the Fajon's rule. In this case of Fajon's rule, I already told you that whenever anion size increases, then that means polarization power increases, covalent character will be increases, and the solubility will be decreases here. So look at in this case PbF2. All these are having. Look at here it is of cation size will be the same here, Pb plus 2. Fluorine size will be increases, anion size will be increases. Fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, right? Fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. Anion size will be increases. Anion size will be increases means covalent character will be increases, so that solubility order will be decreases. This is having of the more polarizing power and this is having of lesser solubility here. This is having of lesser solubility. Coming to the next one, here it is of cation. Whenever the charge on the cation increases, charge on, here it is Fe plus 2 and Fe plus 3. Charge on the cation increases, that means positive charge increases, more polarizing power is there and more covalent character, that means solubility will be decreases here. This means this is having of more polarizing power, more covalent character. More covalent character means solubility will be less here. Solubility will be less. Coming to the ZnCl2, CdCl2, mercury, HgCl2. So look at in this case ZnCl2, Z effective increases. Whenever nuclear charge will be increases, then polarizing power increases. That indicates that covalent character increases and the solubility will be decreases here. So this is the order here, Zn plus 2, Cd plus 2 and here it is of Hg plus 2 here. Right? Coming to the next one, here it is of, this is the exception here. This is of exception. So look at this is of, in this case, AgF will be more soluble. AgF will be more soluble and this will be forming the precipitates here. This will be forming of precipitates. As the anion size increases, polarizing power will be increases and the solubility will be decreases. AgI is having of silver iodide will be having of more covalent character, so that is having of the less solubility. That is having of less solubility here. Coming to the next one. Here look at, in this case, some examples are given here. It is of, based on this, you just look at the orders here. Barium carbonate, strontium carbonate. This is of increasing orders here. Increasing orders. So look at, in this case of, this is large size and here it is of large size. And here it is of small size, large size. So increasing orders. Coming to the next one. In the case of hydroxides, this is of small size, this is of small size. Whereas in this case, large size, and this is of small size. So here it is also increasing order. Solubility will be increasing order. Coming to the sulfate, this will be of the large size, this will be of the large size. Whereas in this case, beryllium, small size, and this is of large size. So order will be like this. Because in this case, beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium, right? And coming to the carbonates are also large in size, carbonate ions. So this is of large size, small size. And coming to the next one, here it is of, look at, in this case of cesium carbonate, this will be of large size and here it is of large size. So here solubility order will be more for small size and the large size. Look at, this is the order here. Coming to the lithium fluoride, lithium bromide and the lithium iodide. In this case, small size, whereas this will be small size and the large size. So order will be increasing order, right? Coming to the next one, here look at LiF, NiF, potassium fluoride, rubidium fluoride and cesium fluoride. Small size of anion. Here it is of large size, small size. So this is having of the more solubility here. So we will write the order like this. Yes. Coming to the barium fluoride. In this case of barium fluoride, this is of the large size and this is of the small size. Whereas beryllium, this is of the small size and this is of small size here. So this is having of more solubility. Yes. Coming to the calcium fluoride. In this case, calcium fluoride, calcium bromide, calcium iodide. This is of calcium, beryllium, magnesium, calcium, right? So here it is of small size and so look at, in this case, calcium fluoride, calcium bromide, calcium iodide. This will be of the small size and this will be the large size. So the order will be increases here. Coming to the next one, this will be polarizing power. Solubility will be increasing inversely proportional to the covalent character. So in this case, silver fluoride, which will be having of more solubility here. So look at, in this case, Pb plus 2, Cd plus 2 and the rubidium plus 2. So in this case also, solubility order will be increasing. Covalent character will be increasing. That means the solubility will be decreasing here according to the Paget's rule. Because in this case, oxygen minus 2, I2 and here it is of I minus. This is the way to solve the questions based on this solubility order questions. If you have not registered with the edX classes, visit the site classes.edX.com to get the demo classes free. Thank you for participating in this session. See you in the next class with another important topic for the examination point of view. Thank you.